Hey everyone! It's core day at the Go Fit studio. So today I'm going to teach the bear crawl in all my classes, and I want to show you what it is. It's very deceiving looking. It looks like it's easy, but it's not. Give it a try. So first thing, you want to have a stiff spine. So there's no flexion happening in the spine. So you're not like arching or rounding your back like that. So you've got to keep it perfectly stiff during the entire exercise. So bear crawl. You're on all fours, tuck your toes under, then you're going to come up on your knees like that, hovering. So your knees are hovering over the ground. Moving opposite leg and opposite arm at the same time, only a few inches, like that, pausing at each step. Okay, so you're going to do that a couple of times. Take a couple steps, take a rest, and then go the other way. So stiff spine on all fours. Tuck your toes. Hover your knees. Still keeping a stiff spine, head in line. Don't drop the head like this. Keep your neck in line with your spine. And walk. Bear walk. With a pause on each step. It's, yeah, I like it. It's fun. I like acting like an animal anyway, so. So give it a try and let me know how it went for you. Okay, have a great day. Bye.